In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove a language from your iPhone's keyboard. Sometimes, having multiple languages on your keyboard can be inconvenient and lead to accidental switches while typing. Luckily, removing a language is a quick and easy process. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, scroll down again and tap Keyboard. After that, tap Keyboards. What you want to do next is tap Edit at the top right. Then tap the minus button right next to the language that you want to remove. And then tap Delete. Tap Done at the top right to save changes. This is exactly how you can remove a language from your iPhone's keyboard. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.